Hello everyone, today I am here to share my journal spread ideas with you all. So basically there will be some spread which I think helpful to me and to all my friends as well. So let's get started. In the very beginning you can see that I have written a new chapter 2021. I don't know why, but I felt somehow it will be a new chapter for me. 2020 was not that good to me as my school was fully closed except the virtual mode of schooling. Actually, I love the real school more than the virtual one. That was the reason. But although I have learned a lot of new things in 2022. And after this, I do have a code page at the left side and a grid spacing cheat sheet at the other side. Basically, the grid spacing helps me to divide the pages equally, and whenever I make any boxes, it really helps me a lot. On the other side, I do have a code page as because the journal will be with me for the whole year and I want something that will motivate me each and every time whenever I open it, and for me this is the code which motivates me each and every time. And I have also written a word focus that will encourage me to focus on my studies and all the things that I am determined to do. And that was the main thing of these two pages. Now in this page I have my bookshelf where I am going to gather all my books which I have purchased in this year and I have read in this year. And on the other side I do have a goal list and I have divided it into 4 sections as per my wish. And the next page, here at a glance, basically it's a mini calendar to me. Yeah, according to me it's a little time taking, but it will seriously help you in your further works. Let's move to the next. Here I have divided these 2 pages into 4 boxes and separated them as birthdays, movies to watch, online purchases and to buy. I know in the end of the year this will be full, but as I have to make this video, I kept it almost empty. Here I have kept some space for my wish list, gifts and stationery shopping. On the other hand, I have things to read, write, create and places to visit. I have made this spread because every year I used to get a lot of gift and I used to purchase a lot of stationery things, and really in this year I wanted to know how much I used to buy and how much gift I used to get. And here I have some space for love to visit places and favorite dialogues. Last year also I have done this. It was totally full at the end of the year. On the other hand, I have a spread that things I never thought I would do. It's totally a new spread to me. Just casually I have created this. I hope that it will be full at the end of the year. And after this I do have a full page for favorite quote of 2020. Really, I love to write down all the quotes that are favorite for me. And on the other hand, I do have a health tracker. Yeah, now the most interesting part came. Random modes. I have created this with some scrap papers. That was a totally new idea for me. I will draw all the emojis of my mood here. I don't know how it will work for this year. And in the other hand, I have my boards preparation tracker. As I am preparing for my boards, it is really very important for me. I have started early, but I think it is important for me. And here is the end of my yearly setup, and I will share my January setup in the next part of this video. But before I go, I just want to show you again all the spread idea of me. So let's turn over the page.